Hello, family. Today I need to do the feeding of the sourdough, so we're going to make sourdough biscuits. Come join me. I'm going to put 1 cup of flour in here. One cup of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So we will do that. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna mix this up together here. Now I'm going to add 8 tablespoons or 1 stick of cold butter that I cut up. And I'm going to give this a little smoosh-roo. Kind of, I don't know if I can, let me see if I can get my fork here and kind of smoosh it in there. With the cold butter, it's hard to do it. All our snow is starting to melt. It's so nice. We're supposed to be almost 60 degrees next week, so oh, the green grass will come up. That'll be so nice. Just trying to get the bigger chunks. I can feel them better with my hands here. And they don't all have to be, I mean, there can be some big pieces and there can be small pieces, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay. All right, that's good enough. Now I'm going to mix in the sourdough here. Just give it a good mix. Oh, that sourdough smell. I really like that smell. Okay. There we got that. Now, I'm going to put flour on the counter here. And I'm just going to scoop it out like this. Give it a turn. Just going to just a few times here. I greased my pan. I don't know if I said that or not. But I did. I greased my pan. Okay. Now I'm going to just roll it out a little bit here. Okay. Give it a little cut here. Get my... There we go. Now we just put them on the pan, a couple inches apart. Probably can get another one. I'm guessing I can fit another one on there. Yep. So there, we got them on the pan. We're going to put these in the oven for about 20 to 23 minutes. Okay, they're out of the oven now. It was only about 20 minutes. So I'm going to put some butter on them. Butter. Yummy, yummy, huh? I like that butter on them. The recipe did say that they were going to spread a little bit, so, and they did somewhat. So, okay. Thanks for joining me today for sourdough biscuits. Just another thing to do with sourdough. A bite. Let's put some butter on it. Here's a big bite with butter. Let's try it. Mmm. They have the tang of sourdough. Yum. They're really soft. Nice. Yeah, they definitely have that tang. If you like sourdough, you'll like these biscuits. And we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.